Today I'm going to unbox a professional label printer, the Brother QL800, and I will show you what comes in the box and how you use this printer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. First, let's see the information on the box. On the front we have the picture of the printer, a professional label printer, and how the labels came out. On the bottom we have some features: prints in black or red, max width 62mm, 93 labels per minute, 300 by 600 dpi, and AutoCAD. On the side of the box we have some examples where you can use the labels, like envelopes, folders or media. And on the other side of the box we can see how you use the printer. It looks easy, and on the back it has detailed description of each feature of the printer. Now it's time to start opening the box. So we start by opening on the top. On this side, open this, and on the top you can see a few rolls and a few cables. Let's take this out. This is a USB cable. Let's open this. This is for the data and connect to the machine. So it's USB A to USB B. We have another cable for the power. In my case, this is for European plugs. So you have two connectors and a plug for the machine. We have two sample rolls. This one, let's see. This is a wide one in form of a roll, so it's a continuous paper. And this model is specific for the machine that only uses this design. We have another sample. This is a slimmer one in form of labels, so each label is separated and cut, so it's smaller. This is just a sample. Let's see what else we have in the box. Let's open, and the machine is down here. Let's open this and take out the printer. But we also have some documentation on this bag. Let's take this out. So here we have a cleaning paper. We have some information. Let's see, some documentation. Also we have warranty information in case we need this in the future. We have some more information about the labels and some starter guides to the printer. And some more information for security of the products and information about other products, and that's all for the documentation. Now let's take out the printer. Let's pull the bag. It's in a plastic bag. Let's take this out and put this on the table. Let's look inside the box, and nothing more inside the box. And now let's take out the printer. It's just inside a simple bag. It has a simple design and pretty design to have on the table on your work. It weighs only 2.5 pounds and it's small. Now let's peel the plastic thing, and peeling a little bit more, and we are done. Here we have the printer. I can say that it's beautiful. It's a simple design, round corners, black and white. It's pretty to have on the table. You can open this on the top to insert the label rolls. And that is everything that came on the box. The printer, two sample rolls, one USB cable, one power cable, and some documentation. Let's take a closer view to the accessories. Let's start with the documentation. Here we have the starter guide that show how the machine works. So we open the top, we insert the roll, guide the tape through the hole, and close it. And that's what we are going to do. So let's put this back. Let's open the machine, our printer, on the top. Let me show you this first. This is where you put the rolls, and you have lots of space for bigger rolls. So let's try one. We have a sample roll here. This part have to be put here, like this. Now we have to pass the paper. Let's try to take this out. So you can put the paper through the hole, like this. Pull it. Now guide the paper, and it comes out through the hole, like this. Because this will print on the bottom. And it's that simple. Now we can close the machine. But let me show you how it works with a smaller roll. We can take this out, this big one. And now let's try the smaller one with the labels. And you have to put this in the same way, with this part to the right, like this. Now let's release the labels. Let's try to peel this, like this. Now put back again, and pass the labels through the hole, like we did earlier, like this. Push it, and it's ready, like this. Let's close the machine. And this is how you change the rolls on the machine, to a new one or a different one. Now let's talk about the buttons. It has 4 buttons. The first one is to pull the paper, the labels. The second one is to cut manually. The third is to start the program on the computer. And the fourth is to turn on and off the machine. Now let's take a closer look to the rolls. These have a specific design to be used on this printer. You will not be able to use other types of rolls of labels from other machines. These only work with this machine because of this design. Because on the roll, it will only fit on this part of the machine. So only this model of rolls will work with this machine. Then you have to pass the labels through the hole of the machine. It will print on the bottom and then cut the label to the correct size. Let's remove the roll from the machine to see everything that came inside the box. So let's take this out, close the machine. So we have the machine, the brother QL800. We have a sample roll with the type of tape, another sample roll with the type of labels. Also, we have a USB cable to connect to the machine to the computer, and a power cable. And the documentation we need to use and learn about the machine. Let's take a closer look to everything. We have a sample roll with 62 millimeters with tape, so continuous paper. We have another sample roll. This type is labels with 29 by 90 millimeters. You have the USB cable, so USB-A to connect to the computer, to USB-B to connect to the machine. And I can show you this. So on the back of the machine, you have 2 ports, one USB and another for power. Let's connect the USB cable. Let's take this wire out. We have USB-A to USB-B and connect the USB-B on the machine. Then we will use the power cord. Let's take this plastic out to release the cable. In my case, this is a European version of the cable. This part is for the power on the wall, and the other part is to connect to the machine like this. And then we have power and data on the machine. I hope my demonstration is helping you choosing the right type of printer you need, but now consider subscribing to the channel before I do a final test on the computer. So, to print the labels, you first have to connect the USB cable on the computer, then you put the label rolls and pass the labels through the hole of the machine, close the cover, turn on the machine, then press the button Editor Lite to start the software on the computer. You have to hold the button until it turns green. Let's check the computer and we'll mount the software, as you can see. Then you just have to open the drive, then run the application file, and the software will open. This is the software, and you can write anything you want, like subscribe. In this case, I'm going to use various words in a single label, like this. And you can change the font, the size, spacing, like any other text program. So I can select the text and change to a smaller text size, like this, a bigger one, and when it's ready, just press print. Just wait a few seconds, and the label is printed and cut, just like this. You just have to connect the printer to the computer, run the program, write what you want, send to print, and wait for the labels to come out. I used a thinner label, but you can use a wider one like this, because the program will detect the size of the label you are using. I hope you liked this unboxing and demonstration. Now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Like this video, and if you have any question, write in the comments because I read and answer to every comment.